Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a video on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. In this simple video, I will be unboxing the unit and telling you about my first thoughts and first opinions on this awesome tablet. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, if I flip it over, you'll see that the seals are still intact. I did not open this unit yet, and this is the first ever Samsung Galaxy tablet, the first ever Samsung tablet in general that I've ever laid my hands on. I've never actually opened one before. I've never actually used one or touched one. So this is going to be a great addition to my arsenal of technology that I can use. I guess I should have actually got a like some sort of cutting device. I thought this pen would be able to cut through this easily, but I'm getting a little bit of difficulty, so we're gonna get through. Just give me a quick second. Sure, yeah. Why don't you just absolutely draw on the box too? That makes for a great video. Okay, anyways, enough talking to myself. We've undone the seals. Let's open it up. Sorry about the glare. All right, so look at this. Oh, wow. I gotta say, this feels amazing. Listen up. Listen to that sound. Wow, what a silky smooth cover. Okay, it looks and feels incredible. So let's start off by taking off the cover. We're gonna see the tablet first. Okay, wow, this is just, I'm so impressed. Do I have to rip this off? I'm not sure. Like I said, I've never owned a Samsung tablet before. It looks like, yeah, oh, here's an opening right here. All right, I guess, once again, I should have brought a cutting device. I could have snipped it off, but we're good to go. Let's see this thing. Let's see this thing. Let's see. Wow. I am very impressed. I use mainly Apple devices. You know, I have an iPad, I have an iPhone, blah, blah, blah. I use a regular PC, not an Apple computer, but I wanted to get this Samsung Galaxy tablet. So my wife and I splurged and we got it, and it is incredible so far. All right, I'm gonna place that to the side. You know what? Let's put it on the cover. I don't want people going crazy saying, "Can't believe this guy just put it down on the bare floor." Okay, so inside of this we get a power brick, which these are very useful. I mean, yeah, it's good to have one specifically for each cord, so you're not searching around for power bricks, but these are really useful to have in general. They're extremely useful. I always appreciate it when I get one of these, okay? With the device, we have the power brick right there. We also have the charging cable right here and the connection cable. Let's take it out. Listen to that. Let's get some ASMR in this right there. Oh, that sounds amazing. So anyways, you know ASMR when you really listen into the stuff that sounds cool. Anyways, tell me if you enjoyed that. If you like to smash that like button, please. We have this nice long charging cable. Seems like a standard length. It's pretty good that it's nice and long. I don't like it when cables are too short. This is the perfect length. It's not long enough where it gets annoying, but it's not too short where it's not going to reach where you need it to go. Very simple connectors right there, as you can see. This is a USB, and I believe this is USB Type-C. I can't really tell. I'm pretty far away. My head's far away from this, but I believe that it is. Like I said, this is a new thing for me, the Samsung Galaxy tablets. Let's open this up. What's here? What's here? What's here? Ooh, SIM card tray removal tool. Very cool. My wife and I also got a SIM card with this, which is really awesome because we can connect it and so forth. So here's your removal tool, very standard stuff. I'm gonna place that there, I don't wanna lose it. Then inside of here, I believe oh, I think I just ripped it. Okay, yeah, go ahead, you guys can comment away. You ripped the box, I know what you're gonna say. Hopefully you don't care. Nothing else inside of that. Throw that to the side there. We got a quick start guide. So that is the actual Galaxy tablet model number, because I believe there were multiple. Very simple quick start guide. I'm going to be using this because I have never owned one of these before, like I said. And I'm going to be doing videos of myself setting up the tablet and tutorials for this tablet. So in the next few weeks, stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the tutorials. I know it looks like there's a crack there, I just realized. That's just a clothesline. I'm in the laundry room right now of my house. So that's just a clothesline hanging across the upper area of the room. So I believe that there's nothing else in here. It looks like this is empty. And I can pull this out, it's empty as well. I don't want to really take apart the box. But yeah, it looks like there's nothing else in here. I don't believe there's anything in the sides. Nope, there's nothing in there. So I'm just going to try and put the box back together, and we'll take a look at the tablet a little bit more in depth. As you can see right here, I believe there's nothing else in there. So we're going to place this box to the side. Let's take a look at the tablet. So as you can see, very sleek finish. There's no buttons on the bottom, which is really cool. This is the thing now. This is what tablets and devices are coming to. You get more screen space and you get the digital buttons that sort of appear, and I believe they disappear when you don't need them to be there. Really convenient. You have buttons on the side. I'm just going to go out on a limb and guess that this is the power button and this is volume up and volume down. I'm just going to assume. We have a nice sleek back. It's got this sort of matte finish, which I like because then it doesn't scratch as easily. When devices are glossy at the back, they scratch more easily in my experience at least. But this nice matte finish works well. We have a camera right here, very simple and straightforward. You have your SIM tray that we're going to pop out on this side. On the bottom, you have a charging port. You have your, I guess your speakers, I'm going to guess. And at the top, we have, I'm going to guess that's the microphone, that little hole. And this is the audio jack, which is fantastic. I like having the audio jack on the top because when I connect my headphones, I am most likely above the device. So I like having my headphones go directly to my ear from the top of the device. However, if your headphone cords are too long, they might trail on top of the device, so it's a trade-off. But my headphone cords are all basically the ideal length, so it just they sort of reach my ear directly from wherever I'm holding the device. So in my experience, having a headphone jack on the top is really convenient for the most part and really practical. But that's it. I mean, that is my unboxing and first thoughts on this Samsung Galaxy Tab A. I cannot wait to use this and make tutorials with it. Stay tuned in the coming days, in the coming weeks. And if there's one tutorial that you want to see in specific or a few, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see me do with this tablet, and I'll do my best to make it happen. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.